afternoon, evening, wherever it is that you are. It is morning for us. And as usual, I'm excited for a couple of reasons. One, we're checking out some awesome waterfalls. It's a spot that I love bringing people, and we're bringing our friends Allison and Peter to check out this waterfall, which you can swim right up to, sit under. It's so cool. Second reason, I've got the new Canon EOS R5, which we'll be testing out over the next little bit. I'm excited to see how it does. If it overheats, the issues, it's gonna be great. I'm so excited to see how it's gonna fare, how it's gonna do. So you'll have to let me know what you think, how this looks, how does this compare to all my other vlogs. But let's get on this trail, let's get to that waterfall. Raced ahead, too excited to get to the waterfall. But I see it, I missed it. I'm so excited to jump under this thing. Oh, almost there. Whew. Hey Peter, Allison, what do you think?
Awesome, beautiful spot.
Man, it's cold, but it feels really good.
Let's jump in the water. Tree climbing recap. What do you think?
It was a little scary. It was steep.
I was freaked out.
You found that out.
You went the entire way across. I was freaked out to go maybe a tenth of the way, not even. But
Felt like I had to. It was slippery. I got a little bit dizzy when I was sitting at the top. Probably wouldn't do it again, but I'm glad I did it once. I just really hope all these kids that are hanging out over here didn't see me do it and want to do that. It's kind of dangerous.
I feel like they're already doing more insane things than we've already done. Crazy.
Whoa!
And speaking of which, so this is one of my favorite spots to take people for a couple reasons. One, there's not too many places that you can actually go out and sit under a massive waterfall like this. I never get old of it. I've been to this spot so many times, and every time it's still amazing. But the other reason that I love this place is that just downstream, there's this great little waterfall that you can jump off of, swim around in. It's just the perfect spot, whether you're afraid of heights or whether you just love jumping off stuff anyways. It's a good spot for anybody. Well, the camera has already overheated, and so now I have to shoot everything in 1080.
Yeah.
But that's okay, not the end of the world. Try and figure this thing out, but maybe I'll have to return it. I don't know, it's just frustrating. But it doesn't matter, because we're about to jump off some cliffs, over some waterfalls, and that's better. That makes up for the overheating. No, Elena thinks it doesn't. But let's jump off some cliffs. Well, we were completely shown up. I thought I was cool just jumping off that, and they're climbing up the trees and jumping off those. So crazy and so awesome. I think today was a huge success. I thought we'd have the whole place to ourselves, but it turns out it was way better having everybody else here. Favorite part of the adventure?
I think it was going behind the waterfall, going under the waterfall, and it was jumping off the rocks. Gotta be.
So just the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Okay, perfect. So let me know, if you were to come to Maui, what would be the highlight for you? Would it be cliff jumping, seeing waterfalls? You guys let me know what would be most exciting for you. Make sure, as always, to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help and make a difference. And I'll see you on the next video.